Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Even though before I added a video of the Graffiti Underpass showing you the wonderful artwork, this video brings a devastation of a burst water pipe flooding that underpass. So according to local residents, the pipe burst on the 10th of August and there is still water coming out. This is one end of the tunnel, as you can see. And this is it now with the flood. This photo was taken on the 19th of August, showing sort of the water halfway up the tunnel. And this video was taken on the Saturday, the 20th of August. As you can see, the water is a lot higher. And you can see where the water level is very high. You can see the path and the grass verges still, it's quite clear, the water, and you can see how deep it is. So yeah, crazy, wow, lots of water. And even though we're on a hosepipe ban at the moment, started on the 24th of August. So yeah, just had a little walk along the bank here to show you a bit more. As you can see, the graffiti, the top of the tunnel, you can see the water. This is the tunnel on the other side of the underpass before the flood. So this video was taken on Monday the 22nd of August, and as you can see, the water level now is much higher. There's the tunnel there. And you can also see the traffic going over the dual carriageway above the tunnel there. Crazy. So much water and so much waste as well. There we go. There's that orange bit under the tunnel there is actually the light. The lights were still on up to, I think, Tuesday. So this is the cycle track. And as you can see, it's what it looked like before. And all that amazing artwork all now underwater. I don't know what kind of damage it's done. And back to the level of water still on Monday afternoon. And then that picture there is taken of the is it the metal railings that stops people going through? It's all underwater. And just, you can see the graffiti in the background there on the wall. It's about halfway up there. Because the cycle track isn't level, it goes down a slope towards the tunnel. So that's where the water is deeper. And it goes underneath the tunnel. I think the underpass is actually, I don't even know how high it is, but I'm only 5'4" and it's way above my head, the height of it. So yeah, it's all underwater, literally. It's absolutely crazy. I'm standing on the grass verge by the side. So much water. And this is sort of further up the cycle track where it's a bit shallower. As you can see the ground there, the path and the main part where people cycle. And again, you can still see the cars going past. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, the water is still pumping out, and we are now Friday. So since the 10th of August until the 26th of August, that water is still pumping out of the pipe. They have put some pipes into, they had 3 lorries there the other day trying to pump the water out, but no fixing of the actual pipe that the water is burst from. So there's still water bursting out of that pipe. So the level of water is still the same. It's ridiculous, really. I have actually been back a few times to sort of check the level of the water when it's still the same. So obviously the footage that I've done has been over 3 or 4 days, photos, videos to show you. So yeah, I will put an end screen on in case you haven't seen the upload I did of this graffiti underpass. I think the water will be here, I would say, a good few weeks of trying to pump that out, or at least if they try and fix the burst and then pump it out. But it's going to be weeks, maybe months, I reckon. And then we probably have more rain coming. And I know this isn't my normal jewellery making kind of video, but we're showing you before the artwork that people had done on, you know, the underpass was amazing. And now it's I don't know what kind of paint they use, but maybe all the paintwork will be fine, you know, it'll all be good. I've taken some more pictures of there, basically the where they have been trying to pump the water out. As you can see in this video, it's still pumping water out. They are really now trying to pump the water out. As you can see, the machinery and the sort of the big hoses coming into the water. And that water has now come right up onto the path. The traffic off the dual carriageway can come into that road nearby, but the road is closed going out. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Bye.